Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best yoga mats to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 yoga mats. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Gayam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat. Thick yoga mats can make balance exercises a little tricky, but they're fabulous for yin and restorative yoga, or classes where you hold positions on your knees or elbows for an extended period of time. It's also great for other floor exercises during home workouts like sit-ups and crunches. The Gayam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat is particularly padded, which makes it great if you've experienced pain in your knees or hip bones from other mats. That thickness comes with a couple of drawbacks. First, the cushioning makes it hard to stay stable in balance poses like Eagle or Warrior 3. Second, it is significantly wider than a standard mat when rolled, even with the straps. The tightest you can roll this mat is around 7.5 or 8 inches. Be sure to keep it clean to maintain the loft. Oils and sweat can cause the foam to compress faster than average. It also requires a little bit of maintenance. You'll need to break it in at first, but that should be a problem for frequent yogis. Just remember to wipe it down with a cleaning spray every so often. Number 2. Manduka Pro. The Manduka Pro may look familiar if you've ever taken a yoga class at your gym. I've practiced in studios from Vermont to California, Costa Rica to Bali, and I've found that, after a while, you start to notice when lots of people use the same mat. Its universal appeal likely stems from its versatility. The Manduka Pro is thick enough to provide cushioning for relaxed classes. It's made from a unique PVC material that doesn't compromise balance. It's also heavy, 7 pounds, which ensures it doesn't slide or bunch up. It's a bit heavy if you bike to class or plan to carry it all day until class, but it doesn't seem much thicker when rolled and should fit in any standard size yoga mat bag. While it is made from non-recyclable PVC, it is durable enough that you should be able to use it every day for years, maybe even decades. Number 3. Beautyovo Yoga Mat. If you're new to yoga and still on the fence about whether you'll make it part of your regular workout routine, there's no reason to drop on an expensive mat. Beautyovo's mat isn't going to win any awards for durability or style, but it's a solid choice if you only plan to use it every so often. It's thick and cushioned, which is great for beginners and infrequent yogis who may want a little extra padding, and probably aren't working on complicated balance positions. It also comes with a strap, making it easy to carry to the gym and easy to store in the corner of a closet or under the couch. This mat has a different texture on each side, supposedly for gripping floors and providing sweat-proof traction, but I don't notice much difference between the front and the back. Number 4. Lifeform Original Yoga Mat. When I started doing yoga in college, the hardest part of classes was figuring out where my hands and feet were supposed to go, especially with my head down or if I was in the back row. I didn't always know what the instructors meant when they referred to centering, and it was hard to tell if my feet were actually aligned correctly in poses like extended side angle. Fortunately, Lifeform makes a practice mat designed to help people find their footing. It has alignment guidance markings, which show you how to find important places on your mat. There are lines for even hand and foot placement, a lotus to mark the center of the mat, and marks to show you where your feet should be in 45-degree angle positions like Reverse Warrior. It's ideal for beginners learning new poses, but it may also be useful for intermediate yogis looking to perfect poses they already know. Number 5. Yoga Design Lab. It's really important to use a very grippy yoga mat during Bikram yoga. Your mat can get pretty slippery as you sweat, and you're more likely to get fatigued in a Bikram class than in a restorative class. You want to feel secure at your contact points, so it pays to get a specialized mat. Yoga Design Labs The combo has a microfiber top layer that absorbs moisture, making it a great fit for Bikram and other high-impact exercises. The microfiber layer feels smooth and comfortable, similar to a cleaning cloth. Underneath the absorbent layer, the mat is made from natural rubber, which can absorb some moisture too. It's also more sustainable than your average PVC yoga mat. Cleaning and caring for your mat is always important, but it is essential here since it's absorbing your sweat. If you regularly start sweating after your first sun salutation, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.